Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, I'm going to polish this aluminum plate with the 3M chrome and metal polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take the 3M chrome and metal polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it in to this aluminum plate until it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're going to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. This polish stands out for its ability to remove oxidation, staining, and surface dullness while restoring a bright, reflective finish on aluminum. It's intended for surface restoration rather than aggressive material removal. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.